Most guitar players struggle with practice. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 guitar practice secrets so you can have more fun while playing. Hey, Chris Stanley here. On this channel I share tips on how to play the guitar, so definitely smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I come up with a new video. So first you want to make sure that you have a goal in mind. Let's say today you want to work on your new song, like this new song that you found, and you're like, okay, that's a cool song. Your goal should not necessarily be to master the song in those 15 minutes or 30 minutes, but get closer to a point where you master it. Which brings us to tip number 2. We want to try to find like a spot that's kind of hard, right? So if we play this, it might be hard to go back to the C chord, right? So D to the C chord is like a little hard thing to do. So what we're going to do, we're just going to isolate that one spot, okay? Find like one problem area and isolate it and practice only this. So we might just do this. D chord to the C chord, D chord to the C chord for a while so we get it down. And if the C chord is really hard, for example, we might actually just focus on that one chord only and play it, extend it, and put it back, and really make sure that we get the C chord down before we can keep on going. Then the tip number 3, once you're just comfortable with the song, you've been practicing, you've been isolating all your problem areas, and then you feel comfortable, you know, at this point what you want to do is maybe like take out your phone and record yourself, okay? So you record yourself and you listen to what you're doing, and here you're gonna notice things that you might have not noticed just by practicing. So maybe there's some string buzzing here and there, maybe you're hitting like one too many strings, kind of something like that. And you know, this is not the most fun guitar practice that you might have in your entire life, but it's actually going to help you out a lot more than if you just like play the song over and over, because you're going to really fix those problems, fix the problems that you have, and eventually it's not only going to help you for this song, but it's going to help you for many more songs. So then you can have fun playing your guitar, which is the main goal for everything. So make sure to leave some comments about like maybe some of the tips that you have, or if there's any videos you want me to make. And yeah, subscribe for more content. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.